Hello rank hackers. In today's training video I'm going to show you how to manage our keyword hacker module or the keyword research module. So once you log in, this is the first screen you'll see. It's our mission dashboard where it shows all your projects we call missions. And you'll see here that you can actually select different projects when they were created and by which users, and that could change your view below. In this case, we only have one active project, the others are archived. So I'm going to go ahead and click through to the keyword research module so I can start interacting. Okay. Once I click through, I can see that I have two keywords already added, and I've already got data. Okay, so what that tells me is the search volume, visitors, customers, sales, and keyword net worth for each phrase. They're both selected, they're active phrases, what we call active, and that adds the totals up top in this summary bar. So added together, total keyword net worth per month or ROI per month projected is $120, right? So if you want to add more keywords to this list, you can simply type them in here as so. Okay. Or you can also select from our suggested phrases down here, right? So you could put in this or this, okay? Once you've got all the phrases you want, you can hit add, or one more thing you could do is click import to import a CSV file and do a bulk upload, okay? So let's just go ahead and add these three phrases. Okay, and so that should just take usually 30 seconds or so to complete. Okay, and so they've completed. Once they've completed, you'll see the notification here and here. We can just click that to refresh the page, and that should bring in all the data. Yes, everything is brought in. Now, this is important. So if you want to change your overall numbers and your summary up here, just simply unselect any phrase you want, deactivate them, and you'll see that the data up here changes. So watch this, 2800 in search volume will now go down to 2664, and then the keyword net worth goes down, so everything trickles down. So just to let you know how to read this, this is the monthly search volume total for all the keywords selected below. So this is how many people search for this phrase, all of these phrases combined within a 30-day time frame. For the city you've selected, in this case Houston, Texas, metro area. This is how many visitors are projected that come from this search volume. Okay, so how do we know that? How do we know how many visitors come from this much search volume? Well, it's called competitive intel, right? So if you expand into a keyword and you see here we have click-through rate data. This is incredibly powerful data to have. As far as we know, no other tool has this data except us. So we know the click-through ratio of the position 1, page 1 company, and position 2 of Google, and position 3 of Google. Okay, so with all of these selected, that gives us a combined average click-through ratio. In this case, it's 34%, right? So if you unselect these competitors, that will greatly influence the outcome, because now we're looking at an 80% conversion rate. So if you wanted projections just on position 1, page 1, that will substantially change the amount of visitors, customers, sales, etc. So watch the number here, how it says 1,200 monthly visitors. But if you add in positions 2 and 3, that will go down, because your click-through rate's gone down. So see how that's gone down to 517, because now we're doing an average click-through rate of your top 3 competitors on Google. Okay, in this case, beefjerky.com is doing really well. This is the client, this is the website that wants to get ranked, and you can even buy SEO insurance for it because it's already in the top listings on page 1 of Google. So we'll get into SEO insurance another time. So looking at this, you can contract it, and then you can see all of your data here. But let me walk through what these mean. So we've got monthly search volume, monthly visitors, which I just explained, and then monthly customers. How do we know how many monthly customers, right? Well, that's easy. So the monthly customers are based on the conversion rate of your website. Okay, so we're basing this off of what your conversion rate is. So if you click edit, okay, you can see in this case the customer put in 3,000 visitors and 30 leads convert each month, or convert to a sale each month. That's a 10% conversion rate. So that's how we got that number. Now, if you were to delete that, you could, and then we would pull the industry conversion rate from this industry. So you don't actually have to put in this data. We can pull that as well, and then you can modify your mission. Once you modify your mission, the conversion rate will change based on industry standard. So right now the keyword net worth is 160. Let's see how that changes. And the conversion rate, the overall keyword net worth went up substantially to 1540 per month. In this case, the industry conversion rate is much higher. So it just depends on what data you have. We always recommend that you use your conversion data from your own website, from your own experience, if you have that. If you don't, then use the industry conversion data. So what you want to do next is you want to reveal a content goal. Okay, so how much content are your competitors doing? How much content do you need to produce to outrank them, right? Because content is king, and that's where you get backlinks and traffic. So if you expand, you can click either this reveal button or this reveal button. They do the same thing. Once you hit reveal, RankHacker will go to work, and RankHacker will actually start pulling data in real time. It's going to go through the whole process of looking at all 10 competitors and showing us exactly how much content they build every single month for the word beef jerky recipe. So it's going to look at that in real time and say, as a whole, these competitors build, let's say 100 pieces of content per month. It's going to divide it by 12, and it's going to give us a monthly average of how much content is being built for just that specific phrase. So it'll give you a really strong, actionable goal to meet or outpace. These reports are done in real time, so they aren't super fast. Sometimes it takes up to 60 seconds, but please be patient. This is one of the biggest and most important things of RankHacker, and well worth the wait. Okay, so it appears our keyword is ready. We're going to hit refresh. And then let's have a look at our content goal. Let's find out. Alright, so it looks like RankHacker has found that these 3 competitors are doing an average of 3 pieces of content per month. And in this case, beefjerky.com is doing 0 for the word beef jerky recipe for that exact phrase. So once again, these 3 are averaged together. They do 0 per month, they do 1, and they do 6. That gives us a total of 3. Now you can play with this. You can uncheck competitors, and that will change your goal. So now we've just selected position 3, and that gives you a goal of 6. So if you want to be real aggressive, your monthly content goal could actually be a 6. But if you want to be more conservative and just look at the average of the top 3 guys, then you can put that back, and there you go. You have a content goal of 3. So simple enough. Now you have an actionable content goal, something that you know you can reach for every single month and budget for every single month, which is super powerful. Now you have a strategy that legitimizes the SEO process, as well as your budget, right? So once you see your goal, if you'd like for RankHacker to fulfill the content for you, you can simply add to cart. And then up here you can view your cart and you can check out, add your content subscription, and RankHacker will take care of the rest for you. But that will be in another training video. So anyway, I hope that helps explain on how to best use the Keyword Hacker module of RankHacker.